Hello, welcome to the Future Abroad series. Today we plan to talk about UK student route visa and the requirements for obtaining the visa successfully. The universal rule for student visas is the ability to demonstrate that you have sufficient funds for tuition and living in the city where your university is located. For UK, you must be able to demonstrate that you have sufficient funds for the first year of tuition and the living expenses for the city. If it is London, it is a higher living expense, while all other cities outside London have a fixed amount that you must be able to demonstrate. The secret of ensuring that your visa is swiftly processed requires you to provide as much clarity as possible with your student visa application. The key requirement that you must fulfill is the 28-day maintenance rule. That is, that you must have the necessary funds in a bank account either in the student's name or their parents' name. And these funds must be maintained for a minimum of 28 days before they can be used for your visa application. If you are struggling to show the entire amount in your bank statement, you have the provision to pay the entire tuition fee up front. However, the living expenses can only be demonstrated through the bank account. By ensuring that you provide clarity in your visa application, you can also do away with the optional interview that UKVI may conduct when it is uncertain about elements of your visa application. Generally speaking, the students that apply with us are not invited to the interview because we ensure that what is submitted to UKVI is as clear as possible and therefore does not require any additional explanation. For more information, you're welcome to have a deeper conversation so that we can advise you regarding your particular visa application possibilities. Thank you.